whatever. If you spray light, you would really enjoy this fragrance. She is pretty. Oh, I had a ball. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into my top 5 picks from my January tray. So if you're interested in seeing what I was rocking for the month of January, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you, would love to meet you, and hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all have had a fabulous January, honey, January. I am so excited because January was just filled with so many new, fresh things, right? We went into a new year. My daughter, I now have a 7-year-old officially. My goodness. Whew. Okay. But my daughter is 7 years old, so it was her birthday. I was invited on a trip to Cancun. So I'm going to Cancun in March. Honey, I'm going on to Jamaica in March. Like, it has been such a fabulous January start of the year. I am so excited for all the new just still to come, honey. And I hope you all have had a great start. But honey, let's get right into it. What were my top 5 picks from my fragrance tray? And if you did not catch my fragrance tray, go back to the Rolodex. Check it out, check her out. She cool, she sis. Check her out and see what was on my January tray. Honey, we're coming on February, honey, the month of love.
Your lover.
So I had to give y'all a little peek, because we got some videos coming up for the love session. But you all, let's get right into it. I have to start off by giving you all, honey, Clean Reserve. Honey, this is Clean Reserve Skin. And if you all have seen, I just got this not too long ago. And look at this dent. Y'all see this? Can y'all see it? Let me turn it around. Honey, and y'all know y'all sis don't be putting no dents in nothing. I have enjoyed this fragrance. So let's get into it. So notes, we have praline, musk, salt, tonka bean, and leather. When I tell you all, I have been going back and forth before whether to get this or not. I've always seen it in Sephora, and I'm like, I've heard people talk about it. I'm like, I smelled it, and I never got it. But I went into the store, and maybe my nose was just nosing, and my nose was just different. But I get the hype. This is so good. And honey, I've been rocking this out for working from home. You all know I work from home. So like this has been like a consistent, I think I wore this for a week straight almost. I know I was testing out fragrances here and there, but I think I have been rocking this out for a week straight. So honey, this is such a clean fragrance. I feel like this is a quick grab and go. You don't have to try too hard, but if you still want to smell pleasant, this is good. Lasting, to me, it gave me a good 6 hours, honestly. It does sit close to skin, so sillage is not going to be prominent or projecting. It's not going to be out there like that in them streets, right? It's going to sit closer to skin, but it is such a great scent, especially those who work from home like me. Honey, this is so good. And I mean, I did not get compliments because I really didn't go out the house with this, but I gave the compliment to my own daggone self.
And I'm awesome!
Which counts. Counting. But this is so good. So if you can get your hands on this, get your nose on this, see if you like it, see if you can jam with it. Those that don't like heavier scent, hit her up. She good. So this is Skin from Clean Reserve. Moving on. Next up, I was rocking Miss Zara. Okay, now y'all know I love a good old Zara fragrance. And what I was rocking was this beauty, Red Vanilla. Do you all have this? Do you all know about this? Now, I mean, some people like this and some people don't, but I think if you love a vanilla scent, honey, I think you would enjoy this. And to me, this gives me economically correct, let's just say. Economically correct. This gives me sillage, like people will smell you, okay, around you. If you overspray, like you have to overspray, but people will smell you. Longevity, it gives you longevity. I would say about 4 to 6 hours. It's not long, but it gets you through the workday. Let's just say. Oh, I love this. Let's get into the notes. Okay, so we have black currant, vanilla, praline patchouli, pear, tonka bean, and iris. That pear, I love a good pear scent. Pear and vanilla. I think pear and vanilla is going to be my new, like, if I see pear and vanilla in it, add to cart. Like, quick, add to cart. Because that scent in itself is just juicy. And this is such a juicy pear mixed with vanilla, mixed with your black currant, mixed with your tonka bean, mixed with your patchouli, and it's just uber good. It's just so good. Please try this. And the price, let me get that to you. This was $17.90.
Say what?
I said that. That's it. $17.90. Honey, get this. This is such a great fragrance. And I was rocking her out, like reaching all month long. Good. And this is good for layering. We can get into some layering combinations. Let me know at the bottom if you want to see some layering combination with this boo thing right here. Let your sis know. I will hook you up, okay? And that is Zara Red Vanilla. Moving on. Next up, I just talked about her not too long ago. So you all know I've been rocking her because she was on some lists. She was on some winter lists. She was on some hit lists, okay? And this is none other than Flowerbomb Midnight. Do you all have this? This is a great floral fragrance, especially for the winter. Honey, this is so good. Now, this is not going to be everybody's jam. I will say this. This is not a good blind buy. This ain't going to be for everybody, okay? Let's get into the notes, okay? So top notes, we have black currant, pomegranate. Middle notes, night blooming, jasmine, peony. Base notes, we have white musk and vanilla. Honey, she is so pretty. If you're looking for a floral fragrance, but you're like, sis, now look, I can't do everybody floral. That floral stuff. It go left when she's speaking from here. This one is so good. And to me, okay, this might give you a little heady, which like to me, like a little headachy if you overspray. Like let's talk about that. If you overspray, this will probably give you a headache just because of the floral notes and stuff in there. But if you just do a little 1, 2, 3, 4 and call it a day, or a 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, whatever. If you spray light, you would really enjoy this fragrance. She is pretty. Oh, I had a ball. Ooh, I had a ball. And in the winter, now she gets put up. When we go into spring and summer, she get put up. But it still gives you that like a little bit of that Flowerbomb DNA, but with the floral, and it gives you this this night blooming, I think. It kind of gives you that sexiness that I can wear it at night. I can wear it for a quick dinner or a business dinner, something like that. This is good. Highly recommend this. I was rocking on my tray. Clearly, it got all types of oils and stuff on it. Okay. The juice is juicing. Again, Flowerbomb Midnight. Highly recommend. Moving on. Next up, honey, you all know if you've caught other videos, it is a story of getting this fragrance, right? I had to fight and tussle to get this fragrance, and I finally got it. My first BDK fragrance. My only BDK fragrance in my collection, and that is none other than Velvet Tonka. I got this off of AI the Great when she had her code, so I got this at a percentage off. Honey, I finally got it because the last time I was stalking it, couldn't get it, all the things. Okay, but when I tell you all, wow, I am wowed. Okay, the hype is real. This is so pretty. Honey, why not get this before? I played myself on this one. I should have had this. But so let's get into BDK notes. Top notes: almond and orange blossom. Middle notes: tobacco, rose oil. Base notes: tonka bean, bourbon vanilla, amberwood, amorous. It is so, it's very classy and beautiful. Like that's, when I first smell it, it's like a vanilla, classy, beautiful scent. It's like, she got, I don't want to say old money, but she has established money, like consistent money. Like her money is making money for her, okay?
I am rich.
Ooh, so pretty. If you love a good vanilla, like your sis does, you know, hey, brother, sister, auntie, cousins, I'm glad you all joined.
I will say it with you.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Amber and I'm addicted to vanilla. Yeah, just had to say that. Anyway, I love a good vanilla. Honey, welcome to the vanilla channel, okay? No, not the vanilla channel. I love this fragrance, and I mean, if you all can see, like, I got a little dent, you know? I was rocking this. So pretty. Now, this is a coin, but I got the percentage off, but this is like $2.15, around that range. So she a coin, and although you see this bottle and it looks bigger on screen, it's 100 ml, but I think how it's shaped, it looked little. On the screen, it might look bigger, but the juice inside, it's everything, you all. Like, this is so, like, screams feminine. Like, if I did a feminine video, like I did before, like a pretty girl, pink pretty girl or something like that, pretty girl fragrance something, I would have to add that because I didn't have it at the time. But I would have to add it to that video because this is such a pretty feminine scent. Highly recommend BDK Velvet Tonka. Honey, if you've been wanting to get into BDK and you're like, what should I get first? Now, I don't know about nothing else. I don't know about the Passe Soir. I don't know about Rouge Smoking. I don't know about none of them other people, okay? But I will say, if you like me and don't have nothing, a BDK in your collection, if you like a vanilla, I start here, okay? And we can journey together because we in this together. But again, BDK Velvet Tonka, highly recommend, was rocking it on my tray for the month of January. Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, if you all know what my 5 is going to be from my tray, comment down below what you think that I'm about to pull out. Because I've been talking about her. Y'all probably tired of hearing about it because I've been talking about her all this month. Of course she going to be, because that's what I've been rocking. She been on list after the list. and been listed. Like, what else am I going to choose? Okay. Hopefully you already put in the comments, because here she go. L'Entrée, Givenchy Rouge. Like, I've been talking about her. I just talked about her. Like, this is so good. This ginger bomb is amazing. And again, I've told you all before, I'm not a fan of ginger like that. But this one, fan, all up in this. This, I'm smelling her now and I'm like, I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Okay, I don't know. But she the boss. She the boss. She wins the tray. Because I could not stop wearing this thing. I don't even know if you really can't see the juice in here, but I've been wearing her. And you don't have to spray heavy. She is very, like, sillage out there. Like, longevity on you. Like, all day. To me. But even if you did overspray, everybody in the room would notice that you just left the room, came in the room, left back out the room. But even if you oversprayed, it would not be a turnoff, because this is such a beautiful scent. Let's get into the notes. So, top notes, we have ginger, blood orange. Middle notes, whipped cream, coconut, ginger. Base notes, sandalwood, patchouli, and vetiver. Amazing. Love this for us, family. I hope you all pick this up or get your nose on this or add this to your wish list. You know we do wish lists around here. Okay. So we work. Okay. So we do wish lists around here. So I hope you all add this or get your nose at least on this. Try this out. Sample this. This is so good. If you have this in your collection already, you already know. Just tell them in the comments section. Let the family know, okay? Because we here, okay? But again, L'Entrée, Givenchy, Rouge. Moving on. Well, that's all, family. That is all for what was on my January tray. Hey, what were you rocking for the month of January? I would love to know. Please comment down below so I can get to know you all, so we can chat it up. I do chat back, because I talk too much.
I'm going to say this. I'm going to say this as Christian as I can. You just talk too damn much.
That's just me. You don't have to tell me I talk too much. I know. Well, that's all, family. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you all are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. Okay, family, I love you all. Bye, family.